Caution: observe all precautions when removing and replacing components. Before you begin, remove the bottom cover, bottom bracket, top cover, system board, and fan. Removal: loosen the 3 captive P1 Phillips-head screws that secure the heatsink to the system board in the order in which they are labeled. Lift the heatsink off of the system board. Note: due to the adhesive nature of the thermal material located between the CPU and the heatsink, firm exertion may be required to remove the heatsink. Replacement: note: before replacing the heatsink, the thermal material should be replaced. The thermal material should be replaced every time the heatsink is removed. Carefully remove the old thermal grease from the heatsink and processor with an alcohol swab. Use the thermal grease applicator to apply the proper amount of thermal grease to the center of the processor. Carefully position the heatsink over the processor aligned over the screw holes. Tighten the 3 captive P1 Phillips-head screws that secure the heatsink to the system board in the order in which they are labeled. Continue the reassembly. Replace the fan, system board, top cover, bottom bracket, and bottom cover.